Hello friends. Welcome back to our channel, where we talk about books that can truly transform your life. Today, we are going to explore one of the most powerful and life-changing books ever written. You Can Heal Your Life, by Louise L. Hay. If you've ever asked yourself questions like, why do bad things keep happening to me? Why am I always unhappy? Or, can I really change my life? Then this book is your answer. Louise Hay teaches us one simple but powerful truth. Our thoughts create our reality. Yes, whatever we think, feel, and believe shapes the life we live. So let's dive deep into this amazing book and discover how you can heal your mind, body, and soul just by changing the way you think. 1. Every thought has power. Louise Hay begins the book by saying, every thought we think is creating our future. Our mind is like a magnet. Whatever we constantly think about, whether good or bad, gets attracted into our life. If we keep thinking negatively, we attract problems, pain, and sadness. But when we think positively, we attract happiness, peace, and abundance. She says, the point of power is always in the present moment. That means, right now, we have the power to choose a new thought and start creating a new life. Imagine your mind as a garden. If you plant seeds of love, faith, and gratitude, flowers will grow. But if you plant seeds of anger, guilt, and fear, weeds will take over. So, what are you planting in your mind today? 2. The power of self-love. One of the most beautiful messages of this book is, love is the greatest healing power. Louise Hay says that most of our problems exist because we don't truly love ourselves. We criticize ourselves. We compare ourselves with others. We live with guilt and shame. But healing begins the moment we start saying, I love myself. I approve of myself. Loving yourself doesn't mean being selfish, it means accepting yourself completely. It means forgiving your past, embracing your flaws, and believing that you deserve happiness. Louise says, when we love ourselves, everything in life works. And it's true, self-love changes how you think, how you speak, and how the world responds to you. 3. Forgiveness, the key to freedom. Louise Hay emphasizes that forgiveness is one of the most powerful tools for healing. Holding on to anger, resentment, or blame only hurts us. She says, forgiveness is not for others, it's for yourself. When we don't forgive, we carry that pain inside us, it becomes a burden. But when we let go, we free ourselves. Forgiveness doesn't mean what the other person did was right. It means you choose peace over pain. Louise reminds us, when you release the past, you create space for something new to come in. So, if you want to heal your life, start forgiving both others and yourself. 4. The connection between mind and body. Louise Hay shares a groundbreaking idea that our body reflects our thoughts and emotions. Every physical illness or pain has a mental or emotional cause. For example, headaches come from stress and tension. Stomach issues come from not digesting life properly. Back pain often means you feel unsupported or burdened. She says, the body, like everything else in life, is a mirror of our inner thoughts and beliefs. When we change our inner patterns, our body also begins to heal. Louise herself cured her cancer through the power of affirmations, forgiveness, and self-love, without any surgery or drugs. That's how powerful our mind truly is. 5. The magic of affirmations. If there's one thing Louise Hay is most famous for, it's affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that reprogram our subconscious mind. They help us replace negative beliefs with empowering ones. For example, I am healthy, whole, and complete. I love and approve of myself. I deserve love, success, and joy. Everything I need comes to me easily and effortlessly. When you say these affirmations daily, especially while looking into the mirror, they start changing how you think and feel. Louise explains that the subconscious mind doesn't know what's true or false. It simply believes whatever we repeat often. So instead of saying, I'm unlucky, or I can't do it, start saying, I am capable, I am strong, and I attract only good. Because what you say to yourself, you become. 6. Mirror work, talking to your soul. Louise Hay's most powerful exercise is called mirror work. She asks you to look into your own eyes in the mirror and say, I love you. I really, really love you. At first, it may feel uncomfortable or even emotional. But the more you practice, the deeper you connect with your true self. Mirror work helps you build self confidence, heal emotional wounds, and truly accept who you are. Louise says, loving yourself in the mirror is one of the most powerful tools for healing because the mirror reflects your true feelings back to you. So every day, spend at least a minute looking into your own eyes and say those 3 magical words, I love you. 7. Change your thoughts, change your life. Louise reminds us, you are the only thinker in your mind. Which means, you have full control over what you think. If you want to change your life, start by changing your thoughts. Stop blaming others, stop seeing yourself as a victim. Take responsibility for your own happiness. Every morning, choose thoughts like, today is a new beginning. I am grateful for everything I have. I attract positive people and experiences. She says, it's only a thought, and a thought can be changed. That one line can completely transform your mindset. Remember, the universe always listens. Whatever vibration you send out, comes back multiplied. So think love, speak love, and live love, and your life will become a reflection of it. 8. What healing really means. According to Louise Hay, healing isn't just about curing diseases. True healing means creating harmony between your mind, body, and spirit. It means letting go of guilt, fear, anger, and shame, and filling your life with love and peace. She says, when we truly love ourselves, everything in our life flows effortlessly. Healing is a journey, not a destination. It's about progress, not perfection. And every positive thought is a step toward that healing. 9. Practicing gratitude and trust. Another big lesson from the book is trusting life. Louise says that the universe always supports us, but we often block it with fear and doubt. She encourages us to say, life loves me, and I love life. When we live with gratitude and trust, life becomes easier. We start noticing miracles, small moments of magic that remind us we are being guided and loved. Louise believed that the entire universe is friendly, and it responds to the energy we put out. So, give love, and you'll receive love. Give kindness, and kindness will find you. So friends, the message of, you can heal your life, is very simple yet deeply powerful. Your thoughts create your reality. If you change what you think, you change what you experience. Love yourself unconditionally. Forgive everyone, including yourself. Speak kindly to yourself. And trust that life is always working for you, not against you. Louise Hay's words remind us that we all have the power to heal. To heal our bodies, our minds, and our lives. Because healing starts from within. So today, take a deep breath. Look in the mirror and say, I love you. I really, really love you. And watch how your world begins to change. If you found this summary inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing book summaries and motivational videos. Tell us in the comments, which lesson from You Can Heal Your Life touched your heart the most. Thank you for watching. Keep smiling, keep growing, and always remember, you can heal your life.